Ready? Hello everybody, and as you see here, my fingers are naked. No, normally I'm wearing like a truckload of rings, but today just haven't had a chance to do much. Anyhow, back on track. We have a box here from the wonderful Brianna Pregel and Gem Delights. She actually cracked me up big time because I started this whole thing on her Facebook group that says, hey, you know, if you're on a wax ban, does soap count? Because I do love her soap. So she was like, no, of course not. Everybody loves it when you bathe, you know, and we were going back and forth. Well, she posted an advertisement that was like, well, if you're on a wax ban, why not buy soap? So yeah, it's pretty funny. Anyhow, we took the liberty of taking it out of the bubble mailer and unwrapping everything. That way it's a lot easier, and I have a cat nudging me in the fanny. But, okay. Anyhow, when we opened it up, this was all really nice. I love opening her packages because it's like opening a present, like your mom wrapped, and there's a tissue paper. But let's start with these samples. Okay, so first off, we got a soap sample, and it looks like Chewbacca. And it is glycerin soap, goat milk, shea butter, skin safe fragrance, oil, and color. And it's in the scent Cooling Water. And I kind of want to smell this one, but I don't know. I don't want to like... Okay, here we go. I made a little hole. So this one I'm probably going to use because, oh, I can smell it already. I like to smell clean. Oh, that one's nice. Okay, we're definitely going to use it. I want some more in that. But here we have our packet of samples, too, of wax melts. And what do we got here? We've got a card. Here's our business. The first sample we have here is lemongrass. And let's see. Oh, that one smells really nice. It's not overly lemony. Like, you know, it doesn't smell like you just like dusted your house with a bunch of pledge. And this is grapefruit mangosteen. I think I said that right. If not, I'm really tired. I've done like 2 14-hour overnight shifts in a row, and ooh, that one's nice. Do you want to smell this one? This one's really exotic, like tropical. You like that one? You can talk.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, that one's really nice. I'm gonna hold on to that one. And here's one in Fruity Loops. And it smells like Fruit Loop cereal. It smells like I just... Huh? Yeah, so whenever you mention that somebody likes a certain scent, hint, hint, Pikachu. All right, so first off, I think I only got one thing in this box. This is weird. Normally I'm like crazy. The first thing we got is, this is from her flash sale that she had, and it's Raspberry Vanilla Bliss handcrafted soap, and it's got 5 carats of genuine loose gemstones inside. And this is her goat milk formula, but as you see, it's a sugar skull, and this is actually smelling really good, but this one's for Pikachu, and I have a feeling I'm going to be bathing with that so he can get to the gemstones. He's also eating mac and cheese. The next thing, this is the only thing in the box that's for me. And it is lavender mint handcrafted soap with goat's milk. And it's got a size 7 ring in it, and it's a pirate. Yar. I do really like her soap though. I mean, I get clogged pores and cysts if I don't be careful. And her soap's excellent for not clogging me up. So, and I got Pikachu an assortment of her Gem Delight candles, Gemstone Treasure Tealights. And she just did a restock on these. These are $1 each, so they're really cool. But we use them as rewards for when he does good in school and he doesn't get into trouble. So, and I think it's better than like candy and sugar and stuff. So the first one we got is in cinnamon buns. And, oh, we got Christmas tree, which is left over from her Christmas stock. But that's actually a really good smell too. You can use this any time of the year if you like pine scents. This one is Sugar Me Pink, and I've never had Sugar Me Pink. I want to smell this one because, ooh, it smells like cotton candy. What do you think with your mouthful of mac and cheese?
I think it's cool.
Vanilla Bean Noel. This is another one that's left over. I really like Vanilla Bean Noel. I don't know why, but it's just really a nice scent. This one is Refreshing Rain, which is a fresh scent, but I don't think Pikachu would like it very much, but it's not bad. It's really nice. I like that one. I want that one in a candle. And then I got him Cinnamon Hearts. And it smells like the red hot cinnamon candies you get. That's a lot of cinnamon. But it smells like the candies you get at Valentine's Day. And Pikachu's favorite, we've had it before, Grape Fizz. He really likes Grape Fizz because it smells like the soda pop. And then I got Egyptian Amber. And I don't know, it's a really light masculine scent. I don't know if he'll like it. Sort of, kind of, the face. But he's more into the gemstones in it. But this is our really awesome Gem Delights haul, including samples and all kinds of fun goodies. Pikachu's going to be good so he can melt these. For the gemstones, she does put them in candles. She puts them in the soap. And she also makes scent shots that have the larger gemstones in them. So, but those are more custom. So what you want to do is you want to order them, and then you'll have to wait for her turnaround time. But anyhow, this is what we got today. Have yourselves a great day, and bye.
Bye.